Hi friends, my name is Rucha and I am here to teach you Sanskrit. Today we will see Tumanta Avyay. This is also called Hetvarthak Tumanta Avyay. I am referring to 9th Standard Sanskrit of Maharashtra State Board and this is on page number 9 of 100 marks Sanskrit. Let's start. See, if I ask you some questions like why do you go to school? Why do you exercise? If I say, why do you go to school? You may answer me saying, I go to school to study. You may also say, I go to school to educate myself, to make new friends, etc. If I ask you, why do you exercise? You may tell me to stay fit and healthy. Your answers are nothing but tumantavya. Nothing but tumantavya. See, if you observe carefully, to study is your purpose of going to school. To educate yourself is the purpose of your going to school. To stay healthy is your purpose of exercising. This very purpose is called hetu and hence the word Hetvarthak Tumanta Avyay. Let's see with Sanskrit examples. This is Ramya Sanskritam. Kim kartum. Tum is to do what? Okay. See. Yuvakaha chitrapat gruham gacchati. Chitrapatam paschati cha. Yuvakaha is teenager who is a boy. Chitrapat gruham gacchati. Chitrapat Gruha is the theatre or cinema hall and Chitrapat Gruham is to the cinema hall. Gacchati is goes. So this boy goes to the theatre. Chitrapatam Pashyati Cha and sees the movie. Okay, Pashyati sees or watches the movie. Yuvakaha Kimartham Chitrapat Gruham Gacchati. Kimartham is why. Why does the boy go to the Chitrapat Gruha? Yuvakaha Chitrapatam Drashtum Chitrapat Gruham Gacchati. Yuvaka is boy again. Chitrapatam Drashtum is to see the movie. He goes to the theatre to see the movie. So I am using to see. So when I use this to, I am using Tumantavya. The purpose of him going to the theatre is to see the movie. Yuvaka Chitrapatam Drashtum Chitrapat Gruham Gacchati. The Drashtum is Tumantavya. Okay, and from where this Drashtum appears, see this Pashyati here has the root as the dhatu is Drusha, which becomes Pashya. Okay, and then you get this Pashyati. Now I need to apply tum to this drusha and when I do that I get drashtum which is here. Okay, so this is clear. Next is balakaha gruham agachan jalam cha apiban. Balakaha is boys, gruham agachan, gruham is home and agachan is came. Boys came home, jalam cha apiban. Jalam is water, cha is and apiban is drank. This is past tense. Boys came home and drank water. Balakaha kimartham gruham agachan. Why did the boys come home? Balakaha jalam patum gruham agachan. Balakaha jalam patum. That is boys came home. Jalam patum, to drink water. In apiban, the root is pa, which becomes piba. When I apply tum to this pa, it becomes patum. Patum is tumantavya here. Then you have chhatra pustakalayam agacchatam. Chhatra is two students and pustakalayam is the place where you get books. It may be a shop or library. Agacchatam is went. Two students went to the pustakalaya, to the library. Kimartham, why? Why do you go to the library? To read books, right? Chhatra पठितुम पुस्तकालयम अगच्छताम. पठितुम is tumantavya and that is to read. Okay, you go to the library to read book. Right? Next is Megha Fenakam Svikaroti. Megha. Fenakam is a soap. Svikaroti is she accepts or takes. Megha takes the soap. Kimartham? Why? Megha Vastrani Prakshalayitum. Fenakam Svikaroti. Megha Vastrani is clothes. Prakshalayitum is, why does she take the soap? To wash the clothes. And prakshalayitum is to wash the clothes. Drashtum, patum, patitum, prakshalayitum. Ityetani hetuarthak tumantavyayani. I told you why hetuarthak, and tumanta is, it will have tum at the end of the word. Okay? Drashtum, patum, patitum, like that. Avyayani is these words don't change with gender, with number, it remains the same. Okay, that is avyay. Okay, avyaya. Vyaya is change and avyay does not change. Pathata avagachata cha. Pathata is read and avagachata is to understand. Cha is and. Read and understand. Shunakaha khaditum icchanti. Shunakaha is dogs. Icchanti is wish. Khaditum is to eat. So dogs wish to eat. Okay, that is khaditum. Aham vaktum aicham. Aham is I. Vaktum is to speak. Aicham is wish. I wish to speak. Bharavahakah bharam vodhum shaknoti. Bharavahaka is one who carries the load from one place to another. Bharam is load. Vodhum is to carry or to pull or to take it from one place to another. Shaknoti is to be able to. Bharavahaka is able to carry the load. Taha naryah ruchiram paktum shaknuvanti. Taha is those. Naryah is ladies. Ruchiram is tasty. Paktum is to cook. Shaknuvanti is to be able to. Those ladies are able to cook tasty food. To cook is paktum. Okay. Then you have janaha bhojanam kartum arabhanta. Janaha is people. Bhojanam is meal. Kartum is to do. Arabhanta is started. The people started to take the meal. Next is Sambhasha Patram, that is exercise which you need to solve. Hetuarthakam yojayitva samvadam purayata. That is, you need to apply tumantavya and complete the samvad, that is conversation. Simvaha, that is Simha says, Re mushaka dandayami tvam. Re mushaka is, O mouse, dandayami tvam. Dandayami is to punish. Tvam is you. I'll punish you. Mushaka says, Bhoho. Bhoho is when you talk to someone respectably, you use bhoho. Bhoho is oh. Aham dash ichhami. Gama. That is, I wish to go. Aham is I. Ichhami is wish. Gama is to go. And when you use tumanta, gama becomes gantum. Aham gantum ichhami. I wish to go. Munchatu mam. Munchatu is to leave. Please leave me. Then Simha says, Kimartham munchami. Why should I leave? Aham nidramagnaha asam. Aham is I. Nidramagnaha is to be fast asleep, was in deep sleep. Asam is was. I was fast asleep. Tvaya mama nidrabhangaha krutaha. Tvaya is by you. Mama is my. Nidrabhangaha is to disturb someone's sleep is nidrabhanga. Kruta is done. My sleep has been disturbed by you. Mushaka. Maharaj ekvaram munchatu. Maharaj, please leave me once, he says. Ekvaram is once. Leave me once. संकटकाले अहम अपि तव साहाय्यं dash आगच्छामि. Sankatakale is at the time of calamity. Aham api is I also. Tava sahayyam is to help you. Agachami is to come. So he says, I'll also come to help you at the time of calamity. Kru becomes kartum. Parantu idanim mama bandhavan dash gachami. Parantu is but. Idanim is now. Mama Bandhavan is my brothers. Drusha Gachami. But now I am going to see my brothers. To see, and it is Drusha. And we had done this earlier. Drusha becomes Drashtum. Parantu Idanim Mama Bandhavan Drashtum Gachami. Drashtum. Okay? Drashtum Gachami. Krupaya Munchatu. Please leave. Then next. Chaturtham padam likhata. That is, you need to fill the fourth place. Trai tratum gai gatum. Then mila melitum likha lekhitum. Then puja pujayitum katha kathayitum ka, and then tum. Then you have hana hantum, mana will be mantum. Then labha labdhum, rabha will be rabdhum. Buddha bodhum, yudha will be yodhum. Smru smartum, kru kartum. Okay. Then drusha drashtum, sprusha sprashtum. Okay. धातोः हेत्वर्थकम् अव्ययं प्रयुज्य वाक्यं पुनर्लिखत. Let's see. शृगालः द्राक्षाफलं dash उत्पतति. खाद. शृगाल is fox. Drakshafalam is grapes. Khada, that is to eat. Utpatati. He. Utpatati is to jump. The fox jumps to eat the grapes. To eat is khaditum. Okay. Kakah jalam papiba. Ghate upavishati. Kaka is crow. Jalam is water. Ghate is on the pot. Upavishati is sits. Crow sits on the pot. Why does the crow sit on the pot? To drink water. That is jalam patum. Okay. Papiba will become patum. Okay. Then next is Shrugalah Mausakhandam Kakasya Stutim Karoti Labha. That is, the fox praises the crow to get the meat, right? Labha is to get, to obtain. Labha becomes labdhum. Here you have labha labdhum. Okay. Then next, Bhimam Hana Duryodhanaha Kapatam Akarot. Bhimam Hana. That is, to strike on Bhima, Duryodhan Kapatam Akarot. Did the bad deed. Hana. Hana will become Hana Hantum. Shashakaha Nidram dash agachat. Shashakaha is the rabbit. Nidram kartum. Kru becomes kartum. Rabbit went to sleep. Agachat is went. Then to sleep is Nidram kartum. Saha patram likha. Lekhanim svikaroti. Saha is he. Patram is letter. Lekhanim is pen. Svikaroti is accepts or takes. He takes the pen to write the letter. To write is likha. That becomes likha lekhitum. Okay. Or when you see tumanta, it will take tum. It also takes tum. Then it takes dhum. And it also takes dhum. Okay? Funny, isn't it? We saw here, right? Vodhum. Then we saw patum. Then drashtum. Labhalabdhum. Right? That's it for today. If you like the video, please click on like button. Share it with your friends. Have a nice day. May God bless you. Shubham Bhavatu.